So students, our next part will be population explosion and birth control. So in India particularly, the population becomes explosively increasing. Okay, because we know that the land part cannot be extended, but the human populations are vigorously increasing in a exponential growth rate. That is the problem are countering in India. In the last century, an all round development in the various fields significantly improved the quality of life of the people. However, increased health facilities along with better living conditions had an explosively impact on growth of population. Okay, କାରଣ ଆମର ଆଗରୁ ହେଲ୍ଥ ତୋର ଫୁଡ଼ିଂ ଲାଇଫଷ୍ଟାଇଲ୍ ଏସବୁ ଚେଞ୍ଜେସ୍ ଥିଲା। ଏବେର ଲାଇଫଷ୍ଟାଇଲ୍ ହିସାବରେ ଅର୍ଗାନିଜିମ୍ସ ମାନେ ବେଟରଲି ଏନଭାରମେଣ୍ଟ ସାଙ୍ଗେ କୋପ୍ କରିକି ରହିଯାଉଛନ୍ତି ସୋ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ତାଙ୍କର ରିପ୍ରଡକ୍ଟିଭ୍ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରାଟେଜି ଯେହେତୁ ଚେକ୍ ହେଇଗଲା ସୋ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ରିପ୍ରଡକ୍ଟିଭ୍ ହେଲ୍ଥ ଯେହେତୁ ଠିକ୍ ଠାକ୍ ରହିଲା ସେଥିପାଇଁ ପପୁଲେସନ୍ ଏକ୍ସପ୍ଲୋଜନ୍ଟା ବହୁତ ଜୋରେ ଭାରତରେ ଦେଖାଯାଉଛି। However, increased health facilities along with better living conditions had an explosive impact on growth of population. The world population, which is around 2 billion, that is 2000 million in 1900, rocketed to about 6 billion by 2000. In within 100 years, there are increase about 4 billions. Okay, so more than doubled. A similar trend was observed in India too. Our people, which was approximately 350 million at the time of our independence, and reached closely to the billion mark by 2000 and crossed 1 billion in May 2000. That means every sixth person in the world is an Indian. If you will take out one person, around 6 persons, so प्रति 6टी मनुष्य भारत रे जणिए मनुष्य थिबो। ओके, that means every sixth person in the world is an Indian. A rapid decline in the death rate of maternal mortality rate, that is MMR, and infant mortality rate, that is IMR, as well as increase in the number of people in reproducible age are probable reason for this. Through our RCH programs, though we could bring down the people, we could bring down the population growth rate, it was only marginal. According to 2001 census report, the population growth rate was still around 1.7%, that is 17 by 1000 per year, a rate at which our population could be double, that is in 33 years. Okay, because the growth rate is 1.7%. We will also learn that is the growth rate in our ecology part, exponential growth rate and logistic growth rate. So such an alarming growth rate could lead to an absolutely scarcity of even the basic requirements, that is food, shelter and clothing, in spite of significant progress made in those areas. Okay, so if population will vigorously increase, they must have to be take their food, shelter and clothing. Without this food, shelter, clothing, there will be so much problem to the children and to the humans. Therefore, the government was forced to take up serious measures to check this population growth rate. The most important step to overcome this problem is to motivate smaller families by using various contraceptive methods. Okay, you might have seen advertisements in the media as well as in posters or bills that showing a happy couple with 2 children with a slogan that hum do hamare do, we two our two. Many couples, mostly the young urban working ones, have been adopted and one child norm. Statutory raising of marriageable ages of the females to 18 years and males to 21 years, and incentive is given to the couples with small families are two of the measures taken to tackle this problem. Okay, one of the measures is to provide the different incentives to the couples with small families. Okay, and use of these norms like hum do hamare do to motivate the young couples so that to reduce the family members. Okay, let us describe some of the common used contraceptives methods which help prevent unwanted pregnancies. An ideal contraceptive should be user friendly, easily available, effective, and reversible with no or least side effects. There must be a question with the use of this contraceptive whether there are side effects or not. Yes, there is side effect, but the side effect is so much less. As we will less the side effect, then only we can increase the use of the contraceptives. If the contraceptives will have the more amount of side effects, it cannot be make granted by the drug institute. It also should in the way to interfere with a sexual drive, desire or sexual act of the user. A wide range of contraceptives methods are presently available, which could be broadly grouped into the following categories, namely natural or traditional contraceptives or natural or traditional methods of contraception, then barrier methods, then IUD, which is also called intrauterine device, oral contraceptives, injectables, implants, and surgical methods. So students, you have to make your note from these NCERT, okay, because these are so much important, not for your long question but for your short note, 1 mark and 2.5 marks. So what are the different methods? Natural or traditional barrier method, natural or traditional method, barrier method, IUD method, oral contraceptives, injectables, implants, and surgical methods. Okay.